Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Crunch. Now this is class 10 of Signal and System. We'll be talking about the mathematical representation of signal waveform. This is very important with respect to any exam as well. Now let's start with the mathematical representation. First of all, mathematical representation is actually a combination of ramp and step signal. The waveform having no discontinuities are the ramp signal, whereas the waveform having the discontinuities are the step signal. So let's start how we have to draw the simple waveform with the equation. First of all, we are given we have to find the equation for this. Let's start. For the upward term, we'll be putting a positive value. For a downward, we'll be putting a negative value. Correct? First of all, mark the line in the direction of signal from left to right as 0. It took upward turn, so it will be having a positive value. Before that, the magnitude of this is 0. So we know that it is 0 when starting from left. At 0, the magnitude rises, which is in positive direction. So it will be 0 for the value and positive for the upward direction. Then we'll be putting the magnitude, that is a ramp signal. So for the ramp signal, we know that we have to find the slope. Slope is y by x, which is equal to 2 by 1. That is 1 is the x direction and y direction it is 2. So the slope becomes 2 by 1, that is 2. And because it is a ramp signal, it will be t minus 0 because it is passing through origin. So at t is equal to 1, we have 2 into r of t minus 1 because it is a ramp signal and it is moving from t minus 1. Always remember we have to put t minus 1, that is negative in right direction, that is RHS, and t plus 1 in the LHS. So the equation becomes 2RT, that is t minus 0, so it is t, minus 2RT minus 1. So this is the final equation for this waveform. Let's move on to next. Okay, so this is the combination of only step signals. So for the step signal, sign value, the signal value will change at the discontinuity, and for the upward level shifting it will be positive and for the downward it will be negative. Same. Suppose we have a level difference, then it will be the difference between the previous level and the succeeding level. Let's start. First of all, moving on from the left side, we have 0. Then it is moving upward at the magnitude of 3 from minus at t is equal to minus 2. So this will be equal to 0 plus 3 minus 0 because the level is 0. So 3 minus 0 u of t plus 2 because it is at t plus 2 the value is 3. Now for again a shift, that is at u of t is equal to t minus 0, that is t is equal to 0, we have 5 minus 3, that is 2, so 2 of t. Then again at t is equal to 4, that is t minus 4, it is moving downwards and the difference is 5 minus of minus 2, that is 7. So it is 7 of t minus 4 with a negative sign because it is moving downwards. So I hope this is now clear. Now we have a totally ramp signal. From moving from minus 2, that is from the left side, it is making an positive shift, that is upward shift. So it is 8 by 2, which is equal to the m. So 8 by 2 we have 4 of r t plus 2. Why at t plus 2? Because it is in the left side. So t plus 2. If it was on the right side, then it would have been t minus 2. Then when it reaches here, it will make a downward shift. That is 8 by 2 r t minus 0 and 8 by 4. Why 4? Because this is the slope. First it will make a decline at t is equal to 0. Then it will make a decline at 4. So there will be 2, that is 8 by 2 r t minus 0 and 8 by 4 r t minus 0. Then the last equation will be 8 by 4 r of t minus 4. So for this type of equation, we have x of t is equal to 4r t plus 2 minus 4r t minus 2r t plus 2r t minus 4. Now we have both. First of all, from moving left, at t is equal to 0, we have 4ut minus 0. Then there is an upward shift. For that upward shift, we have 16 minus 4 because it is shifting till 16. So 16 minus 4 by 4, r of t minus 0, that will become 12 by 4 r t minus 0. That is on solving the equation. Then it will be moving a level down. So for this level, first of all, it will move to the first level, that is till 4. Then only it will move towards the ground. So x of t is equal to 0 plus 4 ut minus 0 plus 212 r t minus 0 minus 12 by 4 rt minus 4 minus 16 ut. So this is the answer. Lastly, we have 0 from moving from left to right. Then at t is equal to 0, it has a slope of 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 is 2. Then it is moving first of all to this place, to actually parallel to x-axis. So it is minus 2 rt minus 1. Then only it will move to negative direction. So minus 2 ut minus 1, because it is a step signal. So ramp and step both are mixed up. So the answer will be xt is equal to 2t ut minus 2t minus 1 ut minus 1 minus ut minus 1. This is the summary, that we have even and odd signal. So remember, impulse and rectangular and triangular, these three are even signals. None of them is odd. Then we have energy signal. So for energy signal, only rectangular and triangular energy. For the power, we have step as power signal, and none of them is. So for neither energy nor power, we have ramp, parabolic and impulse. So this was all about this lecture. Hope it is now clear.